flap is a laptop for Logger Pro. The spring, a barricade to hold the spring. The ramp, a stopper, the cart, and put some textbooks so it can become an incline ramp. If your group needs Logger Pro, first you must turn on the Chromebook. Then, once it loads, press Ctrl D. Once that loads, you have to browse as guest. Then press Ctrl Alt T, and that will bring up the terminal so you can type in the code. And you have to type in shell and then enter. Then sudo *unity and then enter. After doing that, your group is now enabled to use Logger Pro for their data. Measure the spring compression from its uncompressed position at your release point and make sure the compression isn't more than 4 centimeters. Measure this as the card travels from the compressed position. Use at least 7 different spring compressions. And use Logger Pro to graph all data that has been collected. After conducting your experiment several times, now you need to use Logger Pro in order to find the graph. You can do this by using the spring compressions for each trial, putting that in the x-axis, and using the cart distance that resulted from each compression in the y-axis. After doing this, your graph should not be a linear line already. It should be some other type of line. Now what you have to do is linearize it so you can find the relationship between the two. A real-life example of this can be found at Six Flags in the car. Six Flags Equipment Car uses the compression of the spring to launch its carts over the ginormous loop and complete the ride. As you can see, a lot of the mechanics in this ride are equivalent to the lab PC itself, which can explain all the mechanics behind it.